So now we can move our slide into a separate component file as well. Now I see one place here where we can optimize this. I see .slide when we can use the ampersand in order to replace that with the name here. What this means is that if we change the component name, which we honestly might later because a slide is actually part of a larger organism like a slideshow, then we'll only have to change that in one place. So I'll fix that while we're here, and I'll do an ampersand. I'll save it. And then I'll jump back to the File Explorer, and here in Components, let's create a new file. We'll call it new_slide.scss. Again, we're doing an underscore for a partial, and let's open this up in our editor, and we'll cut our styles from styles.scss here, and we'll paste it inside our slide.scss and save it. And then in our styles.scss, we'll add another import. I'm just going to copy this original line here, and we'll replace stacked hero section with slide and save it. Let's do a quick refresh in our CSS, and we see our slide CSS being rendered here. Cool. Okay, so we have two more components that we need to move over, icon box and snippet. So let's start with the icon box. We'll go back here to the components. We'll create a new file. Again, underscore icon box.scss. We'll open this up in the editor. I'm going to close out our bower.json file and a few other files. We'll go back to our styles.scss, cut the icon box out, paste it inside of our icon box.scss, save it, and then add our import here. Again, we don't need the underscore or the extension. And then finally, we have our snippet. So we'll go back to the File Explorer. We'll create a new file, underscore snippet. We'll open this up in our editor, and we'll cut the code from our original SCSS file, paste it in the partial, and then add an import here. And save it.